Good day, ma'am. We are Group 6 today. We are presenting our prototyping product concept. Product name Pichay Crunch Biscuit, a healthy vegetable-based snack made from fresh pichay leaves mixed with flour and natural ingredients. Light crispy texture with a unique green color that is nutritious and visual appealing. Purpose and target market. Purpose functions healthier alternative to regular biscuit by adding vegetable. Encourage children and students to enjoy nutritious snack. Target market student and young adult, healthy conscious individuals, parent looking for nutritious snack for children. Innovation and relevance. Uses pichay, a common vegetable in biscuit form. Combines health benefits with snack convenience. Unique green colored biscuits stand out in the market. Promote healthier snacking and vegetable consumption. Affordable and made from local source ingredient.
Prototype description. The prototype is an actual homemade biscuit with pichay and basic baking ingredients. It is crunchy, mildly sweet, and naturally green in color. How the product works. The product works by blending fresh pichay leaves and mixing them with flour and other ingredients to make dough. The dough is shaped into small biscuit and baked until crispy. The result is healthy and crunchy made with vegetables. Development process. The product was made by washing and blending pichay, mixing it with ingredients, shaping the dough, and baking it. The process was simple and focused on making biscuit and tasty and crunchy. Challenges and solution. The group experienced problem with bitter taste and soft texture. These were solved by adjusting and sugar, butter, and baking time.
Time manage planning, idea brainstorming, buying materials and prototype creation and testing and improvements. Final preparation and presentation. So kung may yung time manage ka na, kailangan na to i-manage atong time para sa pagplano or mga kung saan na to pag kaning baligya sa atong mga kuhan kanang for example sa atong product kunya sa kuhan dayon sa testing improvements kailangan nato i-improve atong kung sa atong i-propose ng mga products. So mao na ang kuhan din group member contribution. Member 1 research and concept. Member 2 kay ingredients and preparation. Na member 3 kay baking and prototype making, document and presentation. So sa group member contributions kay naay ko diri kanang member 1 kanang kailangan ato pangitawon sa ka product sa atong pag-research para makita nato kung unsaon nila kung unsaon pag unsaon nato pagpangita sa atong i-propose nga product. Din sa member to kay kuan kanang ingredients preparation kanang kailangan nato i-prepare ang mga ingredients para sa atong kung unsa atong kuan din sa ikatulo kay baking prototype kanang kailangan nato i-kuan kanang kung unsa nato pagumon sa kuan. Then sa conclusion kay Pichay Crunch biscuit are healthy, affordable, and innovation snacks and promotes better eating habits and support local agricultural product and potential improvements and flavor varieties, improve packaging designs and extend shelf life. Moral